Welcome to Linux for You channel. My name is Sushil Sharma, and today's topic is how to troubleshoot the SSH login if you are failing. And in RCS exam, suppose you are sitting in the RCS exam and you want to fix the SSH error. So this is a complete troubleshooting lab guide. Now we will find how errors are solved, right? So go to the Linux server RHEL 10 and let's see. So suppose first we should see the status. So how you can see the status of this server? Sudo systemctl status SSHD. So this is a daemon. This is the background service of SSH, and now you can see the error is there. You can see here it is not loaded, right? And it is disabled. So it is not starting, right? So how you can troubleshoot this service, right? So let's see what is the problem. So first we have to troubleshoot with the log recorder. So how you can troubleshoot? See carefully. So you have to run the command sudo journalctl -xcu space sshd pipeline grep failed. So what is the meaning of this command? The meaning of this command is we want to see the SSH service failures, right? So here you can see, read this, bind to port 2222. It means the SSH is giving you error because it is not working on its default port 22. It is working on 2222, and that's why the permission is denied. So we will troubleshoot this error. How you can fix this error if the default port is not used, right? So let's troubleshoot it, right? So first we have to add this port in firewall so that firewall will not block this port. So how you will allow this port? Sudo firewall -cmd add port is equal to /tc permanent. So this way you can add your port inside the firewall so that the firewall will not block this port, right? Now reload the firewall, otherwise this setting will not work. So reloading the firewall. So first we are allowing our port 2222, that is a custom port, right? After that we have to check that SELinux is in enforcing mode or not. SELinux is blocking this port. So first check sudo get enforce. So SELinux security enhanced Linux is in enforcing mode, right? So we have to verify that on which port SELinux is allowing. So the command is sudo scmanage port -l pipeline grep SSH. So you will see that SELinux is allowing which port? So it is not allowing 2222 port. It is allowing only the default port. So we have to tell SELinux that please allow 2222 port. So that is a TCP port. So how you can tell? So sudo scmanage port. So you are adding the port and you are adding the right context type SSH underscore port underscore T, and your protocol is TCP, right? Your protocol is TCP and your port number is 2222. So this way you are allowing 2222 port in the SELinux, so that SELinux will not block this SSH custom port, right? After that, we will verify that this port is added or not, right? So when this port is added and the firewall is allowing, then our SSH service will start normally, right? Now we will see that this port is allowed or not. 2222, right? Now it is allowed. You can see here the port is allowed. Now we will try to start the service. Sudo systemctl start SSD, right? Just a moment. So we will see the status of this service. Now the error is not coming. So we will see the status of this service, that it is starting or not. So status SSHD. Now it is active, but it is disabled. You should enable this also after the reboot. So now our troubleshooting is completed, but we have to enable this service also. So how to enable this service? The command is sudo systemctl enable SSHD, right? And now we will test that we can SSH this server or not. Now go to the another machine and test it. So write the command SSH -p, which port number you have changed, what is the username you have, and the IP address of your server, right? So it is the IP address of my server. It is asking for password. Enter the password. And if you are successfully logged in, now our troubleshooting will be completed. Now you have logged in. It is showing you last login, right? So you have successfully logged in. So this way we have done our troubleshooting. So if you are finding my video useful, so please subscribe my channel and like the videos, and wait for per day one video I'm uploading. So we are helping students to pass the exam, to make the career in the Linux field. So please subscribe our channel and like the video so that my next video will not miss to you, right? Thank you very much for watching.